fantastic. You've done a really, really good job. All the people involved with the town team, all through the years, and this is what the outcome is, and it's absolutely a brilliant idea. Very, very well done.
I found out that in the Accrington Pals there were 3 brothers. One of them became my granddad. The other 2, one is up in the cemetery up at the Senate, up at Burnley Road, and the other one I know nothing about. And the second one, Benjamin, I've just found out that he was a reserve, and it's just touching. Thank you.
Without the hard work and dedication of Walter and his daughter Kath Holmes, we would not be here today launching this fabulous resource, and a huge vote of thanks goes to them both.
What do you think to this module? Do you like it? It's good, is it?